Good day, Sir JJ. Now I may present to you my story concept. The title of this story is The Hollow. Now, let's start with the main character. First is Clara Shaw. Her age is 34. Brilliant but emotionally fractured child psychologist, grieving the accidental drowning of her young daughter, guilt-ridden and suffering memory gaps. Clara is intelligent, skeptical, and vulnerable, a woman on the edge of unraveling. Now the setting. Banford Hollow, a secluded village nestled in the English countryside, surrounded by thick woods and reachable only by a narrow, crumbling road. The village is picturesque, yet oddly static. Time seems to stand still here, and the villagers are unwaveringly polite but increasingly forgetful. Now the exposition. Following a nervous breakdown after her daughter's death, Clara takes a sabbatical and retreats to Brantford Hollow to rest and heal. She rents a centuries-old cottage once owned by a missing folklorist. At first, the town seems ideal for solitude, but strange things begin to happen. The locals forget simple things: Clara's name, conversation, direction. As the day passes, Clara experiences lapses in the time and memory. She starts journaling and recording everything, trying to hold on to reality as her minds begin to sleep. Now the rising action. Clara discovers old journals in the cottage detailing an entity called the Hunger, a being that devours memory and identity. She noticed increasingly terrifying signs. Familiar faces become blank. Villagers forget how to speak. Mirrors reflect things that aren't true. A man named Jacob emerged from the woods, paranoid and half-mad, but still aware. He tells Clara the truth. The Hunger was sealed beneath the village centuries ago, but the seal is breaking. As Clara digs deeper, she realizes she's being hollowed out too. Her daughter's name vanished from her mind. Her reflection looks different. Now the climax. Clara and Jacob race to the ruins of the monastery where the Hunger was imprisoned. He reveals that the seal can only be closed by a willing soul, someone who offers themselves to the void, becoming a vessel to contain the entity. Jacob, already nearly consumed, tries to sacrifice himself, but it's too late. The Hunger is now inside Clara. She decides to give herself fully, to trap it again and save what little is on left of the village. She records a final message: "If you find this, remember me." Now the falling action. Days later, a rescue crew finds Brantford Hollow completely deserted. They uncover Clara's final recording and her journal, but there's no trace of her or anyone else. The only clue, a sealed stone well with carved message, "Do not remember." Now is the resolution. In the final scene, a young girl watches Clara's last recording. As she finished the video, her eyes fill with tears. Somehow, she remembers Clara's sacrifice, work, and her memory lives on. Target message and theme. What we forget can still haunt us. The Halloween explores the terrifying link between memory and selfhood. Its meditation on grief, guilt, and the fear of losing who we are. It asks if our memories define us. What happens when something takes them away? Why do people will watch the Halloween? First is emotional horror. Fans of Hereditary and The Babadook want horror that explores grief and identity, not just scares. Second, reliable fears. The film taps into real anxieties about memory loss, of losing yourself. Strong lead, Clara is a complex, emotionally rich protagonist that audience will root for. Third is, fourth is atmospheric settings. The eerie village creates a visually striking, immersive experience. Fifth, though provoking story, the mystery and twisty narrative invite discussion and rewatching. Last is festival and streaming appeal, perfect for prestige horror platforms and film ideas. Closing statement. The Halloween is a haunting character-driven horror film that blends slow burn psychological dread with supernatural folklore with an emotionally rich protagonist and themes of identity, trauma, and sacrifice. It appeals to fans of elevated horror like Hereditary, The Witch of the Babadook. This is a story that doesn't just scare, it stays with you, echoing long after the lights go out. That's all and thank you.